Women empowerment. Women empowerment means making women powerful in a male-dominated society and making them capable of deciding how they want to live their lives and making their own decisions. Women in society have faced a lot of evil problems, and in today's situation, they are still facing a lot of challenges from society. In the earlier centuries, they were treated as almost non-existent. However, as time evolved, women came to know their power and they started fighting for their rights, and the revolution began. Women empowerment states that it provides gender equality and makes them powerful. It does not mean to give them special reservations and extra facilities on behalf of sympathy. In actual practice, it is women's right to live their lives independently and make themselves like a breath of fresh air. Women empowerment is not limited to gender equality but also needs to establish a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable world. The history of a woman told us she was completely dependent on males, and it recognized the fact that things cannot simply work in favor of someone because of gender. Women have a history of ill treatment and evil challenges. Her journey was very tough, full of pain and suffering. Years ago, women had to face the challenge of sati pratha after the death of their husbands, and that was not enough. People said it was unlucky to give birth to a girl. People don't want to give birth to a girl child. That is why they take the step of abortion and female feticide. There are some researchers that have demonstrated that women are not inferior because of their emotions, instability, and less risk-taking. In other words, women from all over the world have been rebellious to reach the status they have today. People started judging women based on their clothes, late-night working jobs, and late-night parties they attended. In addition to that, women are also facing domestic violence problems in our country. Thus, we see how women need empowerment and equality in rights. In India, there is more than ever a need to empower women. By doing this, we can empower females to achieve and reach the goals of economic growth and development. In today's world, there are many females who are doing very good work for their stability and taking part in economic growth. Thank you.